Hi guys, welcome back again into my channel, and today we are going to cook Sukuma Wiki, or in English it's called collard greens. This is the sufuria that I'll be using. So now I'll add some cooking oil to the sufuria. Then we'll add my onions. So the onions are cooking for like 2 minutes. Then I will add carrots. Yes, I know some people might be asking, carrots for Sukuma Wiki. Yes, I don't add when I'm cooking Sukuma Wiki, I don't fry with tomatoes, so I add carrots. Yes. At this stage, I'll add some salt. Yes, I'll add my salt. What I will do next is I'll add some 2 Royco cubes. I will mash it like this. Since this doesn't have some soup on it, I have to do like this. Distribute through. Then now you mix again. The beef cubes that I've added just to add flavor to the Sukuma Wiki. Nothing else, just to add flavor. Yeah, it makes the the Sukuma Wiki tastes so good. So 1 minute and our veggies will be ready. 1 minute. So on the side, I have ugali. I don't know if you're seeing the ugali. Yes, my ugali is cooking. Yeah, the one that I was telling you about. It's cooking. Almost ready to eat. Moment. I want to give a big shout out. Is it shout out? I want to give a big shout out to my returnees, my YouTube support group. You know yourselves. Thank you so much for always being there for me. I've seen very big growth in my channel because of you guys, and I really appreciate you, and may God bless you so much for being real. Your support has kept me going. Your support makes me always wake up and do a video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. To my friends, to my family, to each and every person who supports this channel, I want to appreciate you. I want to thank you also, and may God bless you so much. For those that watch my videos and they have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? The subscribe button is red in color. Yes, and next to it is the notification bell. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.